Hello, good morning everybody. So today we are going to study about first 4 5 members of different families like alkane, alkenes, alkynes and other families. So first we take alkanes. Alkanes we also say saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons, and if we are going to write the homologous series of first 4 5 members of alkenes, we have a need of general formula CnH2n plus 2. So n is starting from 1 and up to so on. So use the value of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We obtain the condensed formula are CH4, then C2H6, C4H10. So first is methane. Open structure formula is this. Common name is methane. IUPAC name is also methane. So this formula can be written like this and in this form. Okay. And this is open structure formula. Common name and IUPAC name are same. So for n equal to 3, we get the formula C3H8. So this is also condensed form. This one is also condensed form. Okay, and this one is open structure formula. Common IUPAC name are same. In this, when we use the n equal to 4 in general formula, we get C4H10 is a molecular formula, and it has two representation. One is with the normal state chain and second is with branch chain. So you can see after condensing of single bond, we can write this formula like this, and this is also the condensed formula of this with n equal to 4. This is open structure formula. Common name is N-butane, normal butane, and IUPAC is butane. Is branching, that is isobutane, and naming is 2-methyl propane. So after alkane, we move to alkenes, unsaturated hydrocarbons. These are also we say olefins. General formula CnH2n, where n is starting from 2. Okay, so remember this thing, n is not starting from 1 because that is unstable form. But still we want to know what is the name of that. Methylene and methane is also named as carbene. So in actually we take the n equal to 2 is first member of homologous series of alkenes. Okay, so you can see this is the common name ethylene and this one is IUPAC name. For n equal to 3, the member is this, and that can be condensed again like this. What double bond we have to always represent. This is open formula, propylene general formula name, and IUPAC name is propene. For n equal to 4, we have 3 with the position of double bond and branching. These 3 different isomers, okay, by the position of double bond. Open structure formula, common names, and their IUPAC name. So one thing is there, but1 in can be represented again like but1 or 1 butane. So we move next one, alkynes, unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons, that also start from 2. Okay, so first member we are taking for n equal to 2, C2H2, common open formula. This one is acetylene, common name acetylene gas, important name, and IUPAC is ethine. Second is methyl acetylene. Okay, and third, these are two forms can be written with the position of double bond, triple bond. Open formula. Okay, these are the common name and these are IUPAC name. So but1 ion we also can write butane. Okay, so after these student, you must try to write first 4 5 members of these homologous series. Okay, first we take alkanols, alcohol family. When we give the substitution of hydrogen with OH, so general formula is CnH2n plus 1 and OH. In place of one hydrogen we are substituting OH. and first member is starting from 1 methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, like this. Okay, common name methanol, ethanol, propanol are the IUPAC name. Similarly for alkyl halides, alkyl R represents the alkyl group and this represents the halide group. So common name is alkyl halides and IUPAC name is haloalkane. General formula: substituents halo group may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and for this we use fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, halo group. So first three members are methyl halides, ethyl halides, and propyl halides, common names, and like with chlorine, chloro, methane, chloro, ethane, chloro, propane. These are the IUPAC name of first three members. Aldehydes, alkanes, for this we use the 2 degree species al, common open formula, but one thing is important here, the n is 0. Okay, for n equal to 0, first member in aldehyde we get C0, 2 into 0 plus 1 and CHO. So that means here one first member is CH, this one, that we say formaldehyde, common name is methanol. Then second member will be after formaldehyde acetaldehyde. Okay, so common name, and with IUPAC name you have to see all these first four member. So next, similarly, in place of one hydrogen, when we are taking COOH group, functional group, carboxylic group, first member is again important, and that member is this one, that we say formic acid, common name, and methanoic acid is IUPAC name. And for this I told you, I think OIC group, but that is not OIC al. First member is methanol, second is ethanol, then propanol, IUPAC name. Okay, ethers, this is a common general formula. ROR, R means maybe same alkyl group, and R dash means maybe different. Ketones, this is non-terminal group. Okay, that always come in the middle of the chain. R dash again means different alkyl groups. This is ester form that can be written, and here alkyl group can be different. So we are taking how to name the ester, like this is one example. So this is the alkyl group, how to name it: methyl, and this is the chain, that we say word root propane. Okay, and for this we use OH. So this is all about the homologous first five members, how we can write with their general formula. Okay, what in your syllabus, first alkene, alkene, and alkyne, these are important. Others are reduced from your syllabus, but still these are important. You can at least write first four members of these families. Okay, so dear students, so revise these all. Okay, so because in IUPAC naming these are all important one. So till then, goodbye, take care of your health.